Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh and External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar will hold the second India-Australia 2+2 dialogue with Australian Defence Minister Richard Marles and Foreign Minister Penny Wong in New Delhi today. The visit of the Chief of Army Staff General Manoj Pandey to South Korea commences today. The aim of the visit is to further reinforce the robust defence ties between the two nations. The President of India and the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, Draupadi Murmu, will confer the President's Colour to Armed Forces Medical College, Pune on 1st of December on its Platinum Jubilee year. The 54th International Film Festival of India will begin today in Goa. The opening ceremony will be held at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium in Bambolim at 5 p.m. Australia lifted the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup, defeating India by 6 wickets in the finals at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad last night.